What's up, chat? Why does it feel laggy? Anyway, what's up, chat? This is day 10 of coding every day until I can build a full stack application. So, for today's stream, back from streaming today, by the way. On my PC, I can feel my laptop like fan spinning. Anyway, I think it'll be fine. For today, we are going to be rebuilding our Nike shoe app, but we're not going to use this. We're going to build it from scratch just because, um, you know, it's not the best. I don't want to keep on doing with trying to find elements, and plus they're not even properly coded in. So, let me refresh this. Let me make a post on Twitter. Actually, let me copy this. Whoops. Let me copy this post. Oh my. I'm gonna create a new post. Gonna put that in. Gonna do that. Update this to day 10. Can I put tags? I want to put tags. I think tags are gonna really do it. Yeah. So we're just gonna set up stream and then get started in a second. Right. Then where is it that I can put tags? Because I want to. Oh, emoji, schedule, schedule. Same thing. I gotta put tags here slash hashtag coding, hashtag software development, hashtag web, development, hashtag full stack, full stack. There's no full stack? And last but not least, hashtag Scrimba. You know, if there's no Scrimba tag. But I think I'll just keep it to these three. Alright, and I click post. Be sure to follow me on Twitter if you're interested. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, from there, I think I'm gonna now post because I like supporting myself. From then, I think we're good to go. Do we have anyone watching? One person. And that's me. Okay, so let's put up some notepads. If you guys have any recommendations for like music, please link it. Please, kindly. I'm running out of music to use. Has a copyright claiming me. And no, we do not like that. Right, so let me open up stream on my phone so we can get started. Then I'll show you guys what we're up to today's stream. On today's stream, actually. Okay, the stream is pulled up. I'm watching you guys type live, so don't you worry if I can see your messages. Okay, so by the way, we got a upgrade. We got a keyboard that I used to use a long time ago. This keyboard is big tough. I do need another one, but I don't stay here where I'm at permanently. I have another house, another place, so it's just for the meantime. So, as I said, we're making this look better and act better. Since yesterday on Scrimba, we finished the quick consent app, or the thing. So yeah, what we're doing today, as you can see, we finished this. So what I wanted to do today is the project. This, just finish it up, clean it up. Should be done by tonight, and then eventually come and build this me map, which should take about roughly a day or two, or maybe 2 streams in one day. We could low-key do that. Eventually build an X clone, and then yeah, come back to responsive and APIs. Like I'm for APIs, it's gonna be fun. So today we don't need Scrimba, although I am gonna tag Scrimba inside of my comments. So for 20% off, https://Scrimba, scrimba.com/coding with tabs. I am gonna pin it, so I'm not pushing about that. So yeah, I'm trying to change the names to Coding Every Day Part 10. Did I? I didn't. That's bad. Let me just check real quick. Okay, turns out I didn't, so let me edit that real quick. Can I edit on my phone? I don't want to go home. Okay, I don't think I can. Alright, so I'm actually gonna come to my YouTube. We are gonna change it from here. Hope you guys been having a good day. You know, been a pretty good day myself. So that's that. So now we need to come and edit the video, and we need to write day 10. So okay, save that, and then we are good to go. Put with tabs. I'm gonna update this soon, probably by the course of this coming week. You can see today's the last day, Saturday of Hobby's February. That means my Scrimba subscription is getting cut out. Oh my, sorry, my Scrimba subscription is getting cut out, so I need to subscribe soon, you know. Anyway, other than that, let's get right into this. Let's change this to 144p because we don't have a gaming laptop or a MacBook or a gaming PC. So we're gonna be building this today. I hope it's still connected, right? Yes, connected to Discord. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna clear this until this part. Yeah, it's just this container. Oh, my bad. It's just this container that needs to be cleared out. Okay, I hope I have the. Okay, I have that in my seat. So I think this is okay. I don't really care about this too much. The syntax. We just want it functioning. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a div container, and then inside the container we're actually gonna censor this. So let me come to the style.css. Everything except the nav bar is gonna be right here, socials. Everything except from this is gonna be place order, place order, repair button, repair, container. Okay, we're done with that. Okay, GitHub button, GitHub button, experiment button, Gino button, air counter, order placement. So we need to remove this. So this is under this. I'm gonna make this the same. So we might clean this up. I can't remember. We'll just make it all one. Actually, we'll make all of them all one. Yeah, because these are all the same. There's nothing to talk about these buttons. Stop making this one. That one's just fitting the content. Anyway, we can actually start by doing that. So, for spacing 20 pixels, Margin top 30 pixels. Let's try to reduce it to 20. I don't know if it's taking too much. That's perfectly fine. And I hope it is centered. So let's check the margin properties, how well it is centered. So we come to, I select it, come to this 20 padding 0, I think it's okay. It's centered. So now what we're gonna come here and do is create the div, so container, and we're gonna select it. So that actually no, we're gonna fix this first. So the hover elements are all the same. So what we're gonna do is actually just merge them into one. Let's check if these are all the same. Bold 20 pixels, 20 pixels, 5 pixels, pixels, solid 20, bold 20 pixels, and these two. So I'm gonna come X button number, go to a comma. Now X button number, another comma, Gmail button number. So all of them are still gonna be the same. So even if we remove these, we're gonna be left with the same syntax. This is the last one. There we go. Oh, okay, this one is not right. Oh, I removed the wrong one. Oh, my bad. Okay, so it's supposed to be here. So let's copy all these. I'm just gonna copy that and remove this. Move that. Come here and place this right here. Boom. Make this lower. Okay. So now we have this that's going on. So yeah, could be good. So I can remove these other ones. Gmail button hover. X button hover. And that's it. So what I want to do is merge these two now. Under here, so GitHub, come on. X button, come on. Gmail. Is that just take care of these? Oh, am I? Oh, this mouse, but I actually need to get a better mouse. So that's that. Now it should work. It's all the same. The code is smaller. So now we need to. What happens if I come with this? I'm sure it's gonna break, but I just want to see. Okay. So now we need to select the dot container, and then set its border to 1 pixel solid black. We want it to have that, and we're gonna put display flex so we can align it. I'm actually gonna get with 300 pixels. Let's see how small that is. Okay, I did not do anything. Display flex, and then just hold on. What's wrong with my? Oh, there we go. That's why. Okay. Justify content center. Item center. That did not work. So text. Center. Okay. How to center the margin 0, padding 0. I remember. I mean margin. Not to miss the margin. So margin. Oh, I think margin 0 outro. I should center it. And I need to go to the margin top. So let's make this margin 0. Let's just do node on top. Let's do 25%. That's too much. Maybe 15. It's still gonna be a lot though. Okay, no, it's fine. Okay. So now we need to put some content inside of it. So we're gonna insert the image into the div container. That can be held. That means we need to find where it is. So this is the image, carry shoes. So we're gonna do an image tag. Say Nike. This one. So now since it's inside the content, we're actually gonna give it a max width so that it can fit inside. So I'm gonna do image width. I'm gonna give it 50%. Let's see what it does. Okay, that's too small. Get content. Okay, that's a little bit big. Align, center. Okay. I'm gonna give it 100 pixels width. Let's see if it's okay. It fits now. That's perfect. And then actually, what I want to do is bring the border radius of 10 pixels. I wonder why it's not completing it up here. We need to adjust the width to maybe 400 pixels and then change this to 402. Okay, it's still bugging. Okay, let's just turn that back. And then let's just use that as a guideline though, this border. I think we're gonna make a box shadow. So we need the box shadow. Let me make sure. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I hope we created a resources server so that I can put it inside there. Right here. So I think I'm gonna do this. Generate box shadow. Standard. Alright. Loading it. Alright, so what are we talking about? Nothing too. Okay, so now that we have this going on, oh, why did I close that? Uh-oh. Must not. What the? Where'd my code break? Okay, thanks. So we have this going on, and then we're gonna do a padding, I think. So we'll do a padding. What do I do? Why am I pressing random keys? But I'm saying this keyboard is from like medieval times. Padding with inputs all around. Perfect. I knew that would fix it. I think what was happening is that this was just clashing in with the. Let me show you. Border. 1 pixel solid black. Let's do red. Yeah, you see, I think it was interclashing with this. So if I comment this out, there we go. You see that? We'll just checking over. Yeah. So we're gonna name this. This is a carry tool. So let me search up actually what should this is, so that we don't mistake it. So what should is this? Okay, I remember I can post. Let's read this in that. So we delete this. Now, what should is this? I don't know, reverse Google image search. Okay. Check that out. Okay, That is the Nike Carry 2 special. Okay. Oh, you know what we can do? We could make it so that like shoe shop. No, what's the first thing that came to mind? What's a good shoe shop? Adidas shoe. I think you can do this. Club's gonna load up. Alright, so here we go. This. Let's see if I can low-key copy the size. This one's not even that hard. Oh, the shoes look nice. Basically, yeah, like this. You see that we can select different shoes and they change color? So I feel like we could do that. Okay. Because it's just manipulating the inner HTML and changing the image property or the image itself. Okay, so we know the name of the shoe. We're gonna actually come and put it here, create a new text document, call it store.txt. Up here, Harry. Specify the color. So we're gonna come here, right? Color, and then menu. Uh-oh, why can't I type in caps? So carry to we're gonna make a description. I don't know if I should make a description. You know what I'm thinking? You know what we could do to this stream? Maybe though. Cause I'm trying to sleep early, bro. Tomorrow's Sunday. We might have church. But we could, as I said yesterday, we could make it so that when you click on the item, it pops out a box model, just like the cookie consent. So box model. What I table model component. Yeah, we could low-key do this with the box model. Anyway, let's just first get the you know, let's take this description. You know, I might use it. Okay. Let's see HTML. I'm gonna insert the name. So this is gonna be a H1. And we're gonna get it. No, not gonna put it once. So I'm gonna name it the name of the shoe, which is Kyrie something 2. Nike Kyrie 2. Okay. Copy this. Paste that. Boom. So what I want to do also is, I don't know how these buttons got these fonts. I don't know fonts this is. I want to check that. Fonts. Wait. Okay. Font weight bold. Bold. Font size 20 pixels. Okay, so yeah, this is different from the button though. So that's the bad part. So what we need to do is change the font. So we're gonna come here to Google Fonts. Fonts on Google.com. And then we are going to choose a smooth, clean, aesthetically pleasing font, just like not that one. That one's looking a little though. Not too bold, something like this. Right there. I want to use the import. It's going to be to the CSS all the way at the top. And we're gonna put it in the whole body. So we're gonna come and copy the font family. Okay. So it's whatever it is. Go. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. So how were we? Changing it to the whole body. That's right. So the body tag. Actually, we forgot to put the default margins to 0. And then now, oops. Fonts. What the? Oh, I already copied it. Don't forget to do that looking for every project. So the whole body now should have the font that we chose. This is very nice. Very nice. What I'm gonna come here and do is change this font width to 300. See, it looks skinny. It does. Okay. About 900. You didn't update my trigger. I guess just set the ball. Oh. Okay, that's that. Could change the font size to maybe 18 pixels or something like 16 actually. Oh, that's perfect. I'm thinking the margin you could change to be a little bit maybe more up basically. So do we have margin bottom? But this is for the containers. I don't think we need this. Let's check. Do we need this margin top? Because yeah, don't need it. So we need to change that to maybe like a 5 pixels. No, maybe like a 10 pixels. Maybe like a 20 pixels. The full product is just 100 viewport height. So now we can add. Can we add this? The color? We could, and you know what we can do to make it look a bit fancy, a little bit fancy. We could probably make a P tag. So make a H2. H2's color. H2. Oh my. We're actually gonna make this background color. Let me show you guys something very innovative. Let's make the width. Bit content, bit can. Very good, very good. Padding, we're gonna do left and right. I don't think we're gonna do top and bottom. That's already sorted out. So 0, change this to maybe 10 pixels. I don't know if that's too much. Okay, might not be. Okay. And then we're gonna do border radius. Oh, that turns too much. 8 pixels. Actually gonna change the margin top to 0. Let's see if that'll change. Doesn't. I heard line height as default. Okay, that broke everything. Kari should think what's up the H1 actually? Good. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna change this font size. Font size. Don't want it to be shown too much. Maybe 13 pixels. Bigger pixels. That's fine. And then what we can do. Let's see if this is gonna work. I don't think so, but let's see. I mean, no, I don't think so. I just maybe. It's saying complimentary, so I might as well. So we're gonna come here. Where it says Kyrie, we're gonna add a span tag. Okay, we just need to copy and paste the code again. So inside the span, I'm gonna directly select it because I don't think we're gonna have any other span. So inside the span tag, I'm gonna have a color. This and then. But it's not that visible, so I don't know if I'm gonna have this. I could try something else. So we could try this. Nah, that's too. We could just leave it like that. It's okay. Back to our HTML. Control that, control that, control that, control that. We're back to normal. This looks nice. Actually, what I want to do before we continue, I want to go to the GitHub and create the before and after the shoot. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So why is this so exciting? Am I weird, bro? Oh, actually exciting. I'm gonna go to the live website. Yeah. Yes, this is exactly what I want. Exactly what I want. I'm gonna zoom out. You know what? I'm gonna take a screenshot of it when it's being like this, so you can check that it wasn't really fitting even on the screen. You have to scroll to check it. If it's a small project, I feel like that should be. I'm gonna come here and paste it. We call it rename before. Let me check how. See both sides, let you know. Both sides, let you know. This is what this guy has going on. Let's do jewelry. Comete Camila. Oh yeah, that's fine. Oh no, I don't like this website. It's just me. It's not very. Cause look, they have all this going on. And what is this? Like down here. Why is it not filling up the whole thing? There's too much going on. I feel like it should just have like drop down sections or something like that. That would be way better. In my opinion though. Maybe I'm just newbie. Yes, newbie. Ooh, I see the line. Holy moly. It actually buys this for this much. I don't know, bro. Check availability. I want to place an order, man. Let's question. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon. Amazon.com. Continue shopping. Let's just click on something random. No, something random. Gaming. PC. Boom. Holy moly. 5. I think this is really good, you know. These PCs look beautiful. Just wanna, I don't know, that one, bro. But they actually look so good. So how do you add? Oh, you change it from here. Bro, why is this? Like right now, Jeffrey Bezos, I got hella money to just build a good. Like, why not just, you know what I'm saying? It's okay, no. Not what we're looking for. I think we should just build it like an old one. There's no difference. Okay, we're done with that. So now let's go back to our shenanigans. I want to make a hover shadow box animation. So what we're gonna do is make shift down right there like that. Another shadow glow. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a break because I need to do something very quickly. So I'm gonna pause right here. I'm not gonna end the stream though. I'm just gonna pause and take a break. Let me get my script running. I can tell you. Until the stream is big. Show me what's going on. So if you like that, get 20% off spin bar. Our building. Let's shoot that out. Oh, welcome to the stream. Yeah, whether the stream actually came on, I'm gonna go for a short break, so I'm gonna have to wait. Yeah. Yeah, you can say something in chat. I can reply before I go. But we'll take a short break. Commercial break. Going up. Alright. Yeah, I don't show that. Don't want to show that. What the hell? Oh no, I did not mean to do that. Right there. That's perfect. Oh. Yeah, so I'll be right back, chat. Just give me a few minutes. See you guys in a minute. What's up, chat? We're back. Okay. That's out of the way. So, we need to build a button, right? And for that, I'm gonna create a div inside the container, and we're gonna call it user inputs. So we're gonna create a button, actually 2 buttons. So button, I'm gonna give the class what is increment and decrement in one word? I'm gonna ask AI this. Iterate. Okay. What's the meaning of iterating? Iterate. Okay. So I'm gonna name this iterate. I'm gonna select it. Yeah. And this one gets a expand type. Given a value of 0. We're gonna give this a class of results. Results, really? ID of value. ID. Iterate. So when you come to the select button, we're gonna do the same thing. ID iterate. And if we come back to the site, so yeah, here they are. I'm gonna select the user inputs class. User inputs. Line text center. That I would do it. And then for the button, I would add plus 1 and minus 1. And I will give it a gap just as to display X justify center and then actually no line until center. Did that work? Okay, enough. To align items and routine the center without when using display box without using justify content. margins, I guess. Maybe that would work. Let's do it. Margin. Little, little. Also, we should add the closing tag because it somehow got deleted. That does. So, justify space around. Okay. So, let's display. Nice. Let's do even. Margin up pixels. Okay, actually kill the icon. Let's change it back to maybe click on that. And then we need to change the width of the button, so we're gonna come here, iterate, width 50 pixels, height the pixels, change it 30 pixels, border none. Shade of white. Oh well. Yeah. That's all I want. Let's do later dark one. Oh, buddy. What did I just do? Oh, okay. Not color. Oh. Good background. Oh. Let's not do that. Let's do glitch nature. This is okay. I think we should change the font size of all of them. 16 pixels. Let's see if that's. It's not going to change. It's already 16. Yeah, I don't think it's going to change. Oh, okay, just change this one. Okay. Who's in the live, man? Say something, say something. Why did I make it for cargo sync? Let me check one thing, chat. Let me check one thing. What happens if I remove this WebKit? What does this do? Nothing. Under black? Nothing. Is it? Oh. Yeah, that doesn't want anything. Repositories. Somewhere here. Cargo smoke down here. Let's check the CSS and see how I did. I think this is it. No, it's not this one. Right here, transition. Transition transform 1.3 seconds ease. Okay, I see what it does. Nice. Wait, how again? Transform. Oh, you just add anything. Transform translates y to -5 pixels. Make this to delay a little bit again. I actually want to change this opacity to a little bit less if it's heavy. Maybe increase the glare. So now let's move the board. Just blend it in the pivot since you have it. I mean, hey, I'm okay with it. Oh, yeah. So what we need to do now, add one more button, which is the placeholder button. Okay. Maybe Hold on. It won't do the same thing though. That's the thing. So iterate up and iterate down. Let's just do that. And then with this other button, I don't know why except to display whatever. So I'm going to do display block. I think right here. Oh, display flex, direction, column. Oops, that block everything. So let's see. It's moving. Oh, okay. This is where the tricky part comes in. This thing. Oh, here's where the tricky part comes in. This not really exists. I don't know how that works. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work, bro. It's just not on the SVG because I don't know how to work with those anyway. Okay, how do I put this under here? I think we could turn this down a little. Hold on, I think it's yeah, we could turn this down a little. So 0.3. Let's make it a little bit lighter, the box shadow. So opacity down, size down a little bit. Spread it a little bit. What did I just do? Just change this. Switch this. What's -3? Let's change this a little bit so it does. I don't know, I feel like it's popping out too much. Let's make it slower. How that works. Okay. What I'm thinking. Do we want it to, when we click it pops up a model and then we can have all this inside there, or do we want to, you know, have the whole thing here? Okay, I'm thinking we have it pop up when we click on it as a box model. What we could do right now, oh no. Why is it that this display block yo yeah. You can do inline because inline is just what we have right now. That's not possible. What? Yo. This thing just deleted my whole code. So what I think I'll do, I want to make it clean, low-key. So I think I'll just remove the user inputs for now and add it. You know, I won't even remove it. I think I'll just comment it out. Comment this out. Oh. Change the padding bottom. I'll make this stream into 2 parts because it's pretty late right now. Gotta wake up tomorrow early. Oh, bad day. Let's turn this. This is top, bottom, left, right. So, pixels. I want to change this to 15. Oh, okay. 15 pixels. Yeah. D10. Actually, should be left 20. And then what I'm gonna do with padding bottom up to 10 pixels. Or even 8. Yeah, this is okay. And then what we could do is we could have the border back, so border 1 pixel solid black, and then when we hover over the container, so we have border black. Actually, no, I don't want to have it like that. Yeah, I don't want to have this too. I'm gonna just leave it like that for now to make it an idea. So you click on this, the model pops up, and boom, you're good to go. So I think for today, even though it's been small, I know we haven't really done much, but my head, I can't think right now. I think I might stop. I pause it right here. But this is gonna be a 2-part stream. You can't just say this is day, day 10, and then we'll go tomorrow, day 11. We're gonna do part 2 of day 10. And then tomorrow we're gonna stream again. So tomorrow we have 2 streams. Holy, that's a lot. I think I'll probably do one in the morning and another one in the evening. Tomorrow, what are we doing? Tomorrow we are, I don't know, why am I getting so tired early though? I'm kind of tired. Tomorrow we could start on a meme app. Yeah, we could start on this meme app. I don't know what this is. Video inputs, includes, okay, we're learning about more functions. I mean, yeah, more functions, filter, filter. I think we can start with code, bro, eventually. And then soon, we'll put the I can't wait for this for each, bro. I've seen it everywhere, but I don't want to use it yet because I'm waiting for that part. But yeah, eventually we're going to finish the whole JavaScript of essentials. And then I think we still have advanced. Do I have advanced JavaScript? What? No, I think advanced JavaScript would just be basic. REST API. Ooh, okay. Should be fun. So, short stream, boring stream, honestly. I'm low-key disappointed because I don't know why I'm so tired so hard. But we redesigned this. This is what it looks now. And this is what it looked before. So, progress, man. So we just rebanding this whole thing. We're making it a little bit better. It's just one shoe. So yeah, Nike shoe. So I think there's where we conclude the live. Sorry if I'm short. Sorry if I didn't do much. Gonna come back better tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching the stream. If you like this content, let me know. If you want to switch it up, let me know. I highly doubt I'll switch it up, but someone said they don't like it. But this for me at the end of the day, documenting my journey. So, sorry, bro. Other than that, scuba.com/codingwithfabs, 20% off. Support the channel, support my studying. And yeah, I hope you guys have a nice afternoon, morning, and evening. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So tomorrow we might have 2 streams. So yeah, I'm out.